Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Santa Mom, and guess what today is? Hair day. Look at her hair. It's gonna be transformed. It's growing so well. She wanted to go to Q, and that's nothing. That's just, she's not balding or anything. She wanted to go to Q because it looked like, but it's just the way your hair was pulled up, but it's not balding. Anyway, she wanted to go to Q.
Accusing me of balding.
She's
when no one said anything about it.
They're going to say something.
You look bald.
You gotta get it. Bald where?
Right there.
Bald where?
Right there.
My hair is holding up. You want some lip gloss?
Yeah.
Yeah. Multitasking. Oh my god.
Let me do it.
Why you got the biggest earrings?
Look at them. They're all the same size.
Oh, are they? So, we're going to go to Q. This is Sydney's 16-month.
We're still counting months. Can you see 1 month?
No, 16-month Loc Retwist. We're excited, and we will see you guys when we get there. We're going to stop and get some breakfast, get some money from the ATM, and we will see y'all there. Oh, look at my nail. Look at that nail. I had to piece that one back together. Time. We gotta go. The time police.
Because that's in the car.
The time police. Okay, we'll see y'all when we get there. Bye. Okay, we're here. She's singing Hamilton. Sydney loves.
Stop it now.
She loves Hamilton, but we're at Circle K on the south side of Houston, and we're going to get some snacks for Sydney and myself while we're sitting there, and probably a water as well. But it's right next door to Q's Sweets. So, we did pick up some breakfast, and we'll see you when we get there. I'm excited for this.
Of course you're excited.
For this. Look at that. All right, bye. Ooh. It looked crazy like this. The wind messed it up.
It's sweaty.
No, that's what. It's moisturizer.
Well, it makes you look sweaty.
The wind just made my hair look crazy. Hold this. We're in the gas station getting snacks. I'm telling her to get something cold, and she said I look sweaty, but that's just my moisturizer. No, you're not getting that. Just like a quick, she's trying to get freeze-dried $7 snacks. Girl, bye.
I was touching. I never said I wanted.
Oh, look, they got a whole...
Being attacked. I was touching.
Okay, hold this. I put a little water on it.
No, you sprayed it all. You don't need more.
Yes, I do. The wind took it out. All right, she's a hater.
Look like Pennywise. But anyway.
Get some of these candies. She waited a while to get it done, and then she came to me and she was like, "Mommy, I want Q to do it." I said, "Come on, let's go."
I ain't been doing no right for you. I've been doing a good job, I thought.
She don't like, cause she been
Oh, gotta go over the bowl.
no, the parts and stuff.
Oh.
She don't want me to do that.
You don't be getting no parts for her.
It hurts her when I do it.
You ain't got a gentle touch, huh?
I thought I did until I had her. I'm home. So So she's back to see Q. Sydney's gonna take care of Q. I mean, Q's gonna take care of Sydney. Sydney said, huh?
Sydney, what you about to do? You know. Oh, that look you sleep. Mama started doing for a retwisting style.
Oh. Yeah, retwisting style.
What?
Didn't you tell me you wanted a
I
style?
never said that ever.
Alright, I'm messing with you. Mama
She
ain't
was
sorry.
concerned.
I've been seeing you doing you some little styles, trying out some new stuff. Your ends are brown.
All sun dyed.
Nice.
During school, she was out playing with her friends every day in the sun. Then school over, nobody's outside.
Nobody.
And I was like, what? How does this work? This is when you go outside from. Is everything good?
Yep, everything is good. That nothing really good. Let me see when I can take off that little bit. That's just where the natural and the relax was at.
Okay.
You see, it ain't making no big difference.
Yeah. Always smiling.
That's nice. She did. Oh, maybe this way. She did really good.
Look at Q's Juneteenth nails, y'all. They look. Let's show the thumbs too. They look so cute. And she got on her shirt.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I think my favorite one is this one.
The middle finger.
Yeah, you see how she
Is that
did
chains?
the little- Yeah.
Oh.
And then she was like, the picture didn't have the little.
Sydney.
Yeah.
They look so good. Back to seeing the parts. Even though we don't have to see them, but gotta squeeze through. Ooh, look at her. I just love seeing the transformation in my daughter, in her locks and her growth. And she actually requested to go to Q this time because I was going to do her hair, but we hadn't retwist in a long time. It's been 2 months since her last retwist, and she wanted Q to do it because when you don't retwist your hair for a while, they start to marry and they start getting intertwined, and parting and sectioning can hurt. And y'all know she's tender-headed, so she wanted to protect herself. I guess Q has a more gentle touch than I, even though she does wince and it hurts her still, but I guess she's more comfortable when Q does it. And Q has more patience than me because I will be like, come on, girl, let's go. Let's get this done. Because I have a million things to do. And Q, this is her job, so it's nothing for her. She'll get it done. They laugh, we kiki. I really love Q, and I'm happy that we found her. And her talent with locks is unmatched. Just look at the material. Look at the material. Sydney is serving hair and face. But I thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, comment. We are going to have more videos out, more vlogs. We're going on vacation soon, and we're going to vlog that. So turn those notification bells on so you can keep up with our lock journeys and our vacations and our daily vlogs. Oh, and we're posting on TikTok every day, so make sure you follow us there as well. Yes. That's her favorite part. Thanks so much, Q.
You're welcome.
We will see you soon.
Yes, ma'am. I'll see you later.
Bye. Turn. Stay right there. We got everything? Put your hand down when I put it up. And we're done.